Easily navigate your Xbox One or Xbox Series X media apps. Motion-activated backlit buttons. Simply control volume, power, and more. A traditional and compact TV remote design to make navigation simple. Officially licensed by Xbox. Want quick and simple access to all your favorite movies, TV shows, music, videos, and apps? Coordinate it all with the media remote for Xbox. No more fumbling for the right button on the controller to pause your movie. With a traditional TV remote design, you can quickly access play, skip, and volume controls along with the common Xbox controls like A, B, X, Y and a D-pad. The motion-activated backlit buttons help you find the right buttons, even in the dark. With an updated design to optimize battery life, you can binge watch without worrying about replacing them. The media remote helps you take control of your Xbox with everything you need, right at your fingertips. Top reviews from the United States. Use in tandem with a wireless keyboard for best results. The PDP brand has never really done me wrong. This remote is no exception, bringing an inkling of class to my remote Xbox One operations. All of the functions that I really need for controlling most of my media are here, and for the most part they're very easy to push. However, there are issues with variable amounts of pressure required, especially on the directional input. I feel like I am almost crushing the up and right directions on a regular basis for one. For absolute best results and accessing all of your media as well as for turning your Xbox into a sort of mini computer, I would recommend getting a wireless keyboard mouse combo. The best one for this purpose that I've seen is still Logitech K400. It uses a USB unifying dongle, and definitely allows you access to these functions that the remote does not. Definitely recommended if you need a streamlined solution for media control, but get an additional solution for the best control.